When you're running cloud infrastructure in Azure, network issues can be silent killers. Slow load times, dropped packets, failed VPNs. You need more than logs. You need live visibility. That's where Azure Monitor and Network Insights step in. In this lecture, you'll learn how to use Azure Monitor and Network Insights to collect, visualize, and act on telemetry data from your network resources so you can troubleshoot faster, prevent problems, and keep your network healthy and secure. Azure Monitor is your cloud-native platform for collecting and analyzing metrics, logs, and telemetry across all Azure services, including networking. You will use Azure Monitor to track performance metrics like CPU, bandwidth, and latency. Collect logs from NSGs, firewalls, VPN gateways, and more. Set alerts based on thresholds and events. Visualize everything through dashboards and workbooks. For networking specifically, Azure Monitor gives you the foundation to see what's happening across your virtual networks, connections, and gateways. You can navigate to the Azure Monitor by simply typing Monitor in the Azure search bar as shown. On the left-hand side, you will see the main navigation panel. This is where all monitoring capabilities are grouped. In the left pane, scroll down to find the section labeled Insights. It includes application-specific monitoring options like applications, virtual machines, containers, network, etc. When you click on Networks, it will take you to Network Insights. This is the built-in solution that gives you a curated view of your network health, metrics, and topology. Alternatively, in the main window, middle of the screen, you will see tiles under the Insights heading. One of those tiles is labeled Network Insights. Simply click View on that tile to access the same dashboard. You are now on the Network Insights dashboard within Azure Monitor, specifically under the Networks tab. This page is designed to give you a centralized view of the health, connectivity, and traffic of all your Azure network resources. But currently, it shows no results found because no subscriptions or resources are selected or active for this view. Tabs such as Network Health, Connectivity, and Traffic are designed to give you a specific lens into your Azure network operations. Let's walk through what each one does and how you can use it to troubleshoot, monitor, and optimize your environment. Network Health tab shows you the current operational status of your network resources. It's your go-to view to quickly answer the question, is everything working right now? You'll see a color-coded dashboard indicating if resources are available, degraded, unavailable, or unknown. Each resource is evaluated for health signals such as responsiveness, error counts, or internal Azure service alerts. You use Network Health tab when you want a high-level snapshot of what's healthy and what's not. This is ideal during outages or periodic reviews. Connectivity tab helps you analyze communication paths between resources like VMs, on-premises servers, Azure services, or external endpoints. You'll use it to test if traffic is flowing from point A to point B, identify broken paths, packet loss, or unreachable services, or check latency between regions or hybrid links. You use Connectivity tab when you need to troubleshoot a connection issue, such as a web app not reaching a database or a VPN tunnel not responding. Traffic tab is all about visualizing flow data across your network. It works best when NSG flow logs are enabled and integrated with traffic analytics. You'll see top talkers, which IPs are receiving the most traffic, flow volume trends across regions or subnets, and unexpected ports or protocols in use. You use it when you want to audit traffic behavior, detect anomalies, or confirm that your segmentation rules are doing their job. At the top of the page, you will notice a drop-down labeled Diagnostic Toolkit. This is your quick access tool built for jumping directly into diagnostics from network insights. With it, you can run IP flow verify to check if a connection is allowed by NSG rules. Launch a packet capture to inspect real-time traffic. Use connection troubleshoot to trace end-to-end network paths. Review effective security rules on NICs and check VPN gateway diagnostics. You use it when you're already investigating a problem and want to launch deep diagnostics without switching context. So, what's your key takeaway? These tabs work together to give you 360-degree visibility into your Azure network. Once your diagnostics and flow logs are properly configured, this dashboard becomes a real-time command center for keeping your network fast, secure, and reliable.